It's in my hand.
What?
Okay.
You're making my hand a sushi roll?
Yeah, I will.
No!
Let's
Hello guys, we're gonna, what's it called?
HANDSPA.
Yeah, I don't know. Read the surprise.
Yeah, it is a surprise.
I'm not surprised.
Why not? Aren't you happy I'm going to do HANDSPA?
I never.
What?
What? I don't know what's HANDSPA.
We're going to make your hands relaxed. Relaxed? Oh, yes. Okay. You tell them what are the things we're going to use.
Lotion.
Yeah.
This.
That's a cling wrap.
And that. And sugar.
Yeah. And this.
And coconut oil.
Yeah.
And sour.
Yeah, that's
Lemon.
lemon. And
And
this.
this. Gloves.
Plastic hand gloves.
Relax, you say?
And
I'm
you're going to
excited.
We're going to put warm water here for rinsing later, okay?
You said relax.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Wow, you're excited. Okay. Okay, come on, let's do the first part. Mix first the oil and the sugar. We're going to use this to exfoliate. Looks like.
I'm so scared because hot water.
No, it's not. It's not warm. We're going to use
Hot
this to
water?
exfoliate
It's not
that
warm?
skin. Yeah, not
That
this one.
skin?
Yeah, that skin on your hands. We all have. We all have that skin. Let's add some more oil. Let's use this as an exfoliant. Okay? Exfoliant.
Looks like frozen sugar now. I'm just gonna smell it.
Let's put some lemon. How does it smell? How does it smell? Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Going to exfoliate that skin on your hand. No, it's not hot. Is it?
It's not that, but
But what? How does it feel?
why? It's
Why?
coming down.
What do you mean it's coming down?
Like,
Let me have your hand.
it's
Wow! It's like we're playing.
Ow.
Oh, come here, come here, come here. Let me have your hand. Wow!
It tickles.
It tickles. It tickles. How does it smell? It smells good?
It smells like our round, our below ube, around our circle.
Ube pastillas?
Yeah. Smells like
We
that.
made our ube pastillas. Does it smell like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smells like it.
Does it tickle?
Let's
Yeah.
smell it.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Yeah. Right? It smells like that.
It smells like the ube pastillas. Wow. Does it tickle?
Yeah. I got stirred.
Yeah.
Actually,
Now web's gonna come out to in your hands. You already have power. You want that?
no.
Web's gonna come
I'm
out of your hands.
saying, oh my vine here.
Veins.
I'm I'm shrimp.
Sit down properly. You sit down properly. You sit down properly. Okay, done. Oh, let me have your other hand.
Looks like great. Now I have blue hands. Blue hands. Did you say look when I said superpower? Where you're gonna make me Spider-Man? Making my hand a sushi roll.
Yeah, I will.
No!
Let's put some lotion now.
It's a cookie. I wonder how. Oh, 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 snap.
Oh, how does it feel?
Good.
Good. Put it down. Put it down. Wow, put it down. And then we're going to make your hand a sushi roll.
Ah!
Let's make a sushi roll. Try to wrap around your hand with this cling wrap for about 5 minutes. Wow, it's a sushi hand. Look at that. It's a sushi
Can
hand.
I move it?
Yeah, you still can move
I
it.
can. Can I lift it?
Later, you're gonna have a spider web on your hand.
No!
You're gonna have a power.
Wow, why? I don't want to.
But you want to be a Spider-Man?
No.
Oh, put down your hand
I'm
here.
scared already of spiders.
You're already scared of Spider-Man. I thought it's your favorite character.
Yeah, he's my favorite character, but I changed my mind. Iron Man now is now my favorite character.
Iron Man?
Yeah.
Okay, we're done. So let's wait for 5 minutes. And
Set
we're
the
going
timer on.
we're gonna remove it after 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay? So let's set the timer on. 5 minutes and we're going to remove it. Your hands will gonna soften after what?
Spider-Man doesn't have powers when he grabs the spider web. It's from a radioactive spider.
Yeah. You want to be bitten by a radioactive spider?
No, that hurts.
Okay, let's remove it now. Well, just give me your hand. Yeah, it's moist. Look at that. Ooh, it's
And I
moist.
hope this.
Other one. Give me the other one.
Now I can't touch
Wait.
objects for 24 hours.
Between the
Maybe.
Alright, give me your hand. Let's remove the excess lotion.
Accessories.
So tell me, how does it feel? Other one, give me the other one. Relaxing and
Kind of.
smooth. It's smooth and relaxing. You smell it. How does it smell? Good. Smells
Smells
good.
like our circle.
Yes, okay. Okay, now how do you feel? Does it feel smooth? Does your hand feel relaxed and smooth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It feels